welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Carsey Denise. If you are new for the very first time, I need y'all to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that the way you be notified whenever your girl uploads a video and y'all can become part of the family. If you're a returning family member, what up fam bam? You already know how we do it. So as you probably read from the title, this is going to be my first ever sip and slay, honey. Yes! I don't know why I did that, but I did it. Whatever. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this fun, simple halo eye, okay, get into it, then you already know what to do. Grab your favorite bottle of wine sauce and come with me as we sip and slay. All right, guys, so off camera, I've already done my eyebrows and prepped my lids. If you guys do want a detailed video on how I do my brows, just either comment down below and I'll work on that for y'all. We got our wine, little pink Moscato. Yes, I already had some, don't judge. So we're just gonna go ahead and pour that right in there, okay? And we're gonna sip and do our makeup. Like, why not? Cheers. That pink Moscato is good. So I hope y'all got your wine. I hope y'all ready. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to be using the Warrior 3 palette from Juvia's Place. I have not played with this palette yet, so I'm super excited. This is how she's looking. Really, really nice colors, y'all. Very vibrant, very spring and summer. So I'm not sure what colors I want to go in with, but we're gonna play with it as we go along. So let's go ahead and start with these eyes. So I feel like the first color I want to go in with is going to be this purple color here. And that color we're going to work in our crease. What I like to go in for that second time around, I just want to go in and I just want to press it into that crease to get a better color payoff. So next I'm going to go in with this pink shade and I'm going to put that right above where I placed that purple. And I'm going to kind of just blend that out really nice. Back to blending. Alright, so I think I want to do some type of halo eye with this palette. So I'm going to go back into this purple shade and kind of start making my halo on the eye. Y'all know what I mean. Next, I'm going to go in with this green shade here, and I'm going to add that to where I put the purple on each side. next I'm going to go in with this blue shade here, and we're going to pop that into the center of our lid. Now, since the green got a little lost, I'm going to go back in with that green just to make it a little more vibrant. Next, we're going to add our eyeliner, and I'm just taking the liquid eyeliner from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm not... Let's do a wing. What the heck? I was gonna do a wing, but no. I've been drinking wine. I should not do a wing. Think these hands gonna be that steady. So we're just gonna do a nice little line across the lid, cause yeah, I don't think I could do a wing. Good call on not doing that wing liner, Carsey. Good call, sis. Good call. So we're gonna add a little mascara, and we're gonna pop on these lashes, and I'm gonna snap my fingers. And the lashes go just appear on my eyes. Y'all want to see some magic? Watch this. I guess I ain't have enough of wine. Hold on. Okay, ready? It worked that time, y'all. Now we're going to move on to the face. I'm going to be using my Pat McGrath foundation, and I am a shade medium deep 26. And if y'all know, y'all know. Mother Pat does not play with her products, sis. This has to be my favorite foundation right now. Filter for what? Next, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I am a shade Peanut Butter, and we're going to put that under our eyes, bridge of our nose, our chin, and above our, what is it called? Above our lip. I think I had too much wine. And then we're gonna blend. with my black Opal foundation stick, and I'm using the shade Ebony Brown, and I'm going to contour my face. So I forgot to put my phone on airplane mode, and somebody called while I was contouring, but we're gonna contour here, 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 bridge of our nose. Boom. And then we're gonna blend that joker in. With my nose, I'm going to go in with a smaller brush to make sure I get it more defined. So. With my beauty blender to blend that out. Next, I'm going to go in with my Hoola Toasted Bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm just going to put that over my contour. I'm going to take my setting powder from Huda Beauty, and this is the shade Canufa, and I'm going to set my concealer. Now, if you want to bake, by all means, bake sis bake. But me, I just like to just press mine in, and then I just sweep it off with my finishing powder. Next, I'm going to go in with my Sephora Microsmooth powder to set my face. Next, I'm just going to go on with a black eyeliner pencil. I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 in the shade 0. Next, I'm going to go back into that palette, and I'm going to use this purple shade, and then I'm going to go over that purple shade with, go under, under the purple shade with the pink shade. And now, the pink shade. Next, I am going to take my Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist, and I'm going to set my face. Let me cover the wine. And while that's drying some, go ahead and get another little sippy sip. Refreshing. For my highlight, I'm going to go in with my Becca Champagne Pop Highlight, and I'm going to highlight the highest points of my cheeks. bridge of my nose. And a little on my chin. And no, I didn't forget the blush, Barbara Ann. I don't wear it. Period. For my lips, I'm just gonna take this clear gloss I got from the hair store for $1, and I'm gonna put that on, and then I'm gonna top it with my Artist Couture Uncensored lip gloss. Ladies, if you are looking for a bomb nude lip gloss, you need this Artist Couture Uncensored, okay? Don't believe me? Just watch. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Easy, simple, glam. And yeah, if you guys want to see more of these videos, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.